this is Pushkala and we will be seeing HLOOKUP on this session. So what is HLOOKUP and what are we going to do with it? So as similar to vertical lookup, HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup. We'll be looking for stuff like this. Let's say I need a set of names here. Like this, I can search for a number of terms I need with the row numbers. So here I'm gonna give the row number. I'll start with a very simple one first. So HLOOKUP, as you can see here, this is the formula for HLOOKUP. So first I'll have to give out the lookup value. Let's say I'm going to look up employee name. Employee name. That is the second column. That is the second column. I'm gonna look up an employee name. So that is my lookup value. And I need a table array. So this is my whole table. I'll select this whole table and that's it. Whole table is selected and I need a row index ID. So I'll just copy this in the next cell. I'll just write 3 here, copy this. And this is my row number. 3 is my row number. So 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna get Catherine Abel. And 3. And I need an exact value. So false is going to be my result. So false. And I'm gonna close this brackets. Okay. So Catherine Bell. This is not based on the employee ID. It is based on the number of the row. So Catherine Bell is actually the row number third. Is in row number third. So if I change this to 6, I get filler. And if I change this to maybe 10, I'll get J Adams. This is J Adam. Row number 10, I'm getting J Adams. So what if I give 10.5? What happens in that case? So in that case, I'm gonna copy this whole formula again. Or I'll just type it again. HLOOKUP. HLOOKUP. And I'll be giving the employee name. This is the employee name. And I'll be selecting the whole table. Whole table is selected. And now the lookup value is 10.5. And I'll be saying select approximate match, not the exact match. So I'll just write true. So true will give me the approximate match. So for 10.5, I'm getting Adam J. So it will not throw you an error or it will not say NA, it will say J Adam. So what will, let's say I need some consecutive rows. So what happens if I want 5 consecutive rows? What I need to do is, let's say the first HLOOKUP, and I'll be saying the column name, employee name, and I'll be selecting the whole table next. And the next one is, I'll be giving inside the curly brackets, I'll give a series of row numbers. Let's say I'm going to start with 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So I'm going to say here 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And I need a exact match. So I'm going to write false. False. And that's it. So when I enter, I just get the value for 7, that is Francis Adam. So what if I want to fill the next 5 numbers that I've entered here? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what happens is, I'll just select this 5 columns and I click here on the formula and I say Control Shift and Enter. That's all. All the consecutive rows are being filled. This is what we call it as HLOOKUP and this is how it works. So hope you have understood what HLOOKUP is. If you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section and thank you. Bye-bye.